Always gotta watch out for the family, but when I get up they cannot stand me. They still got my back just like some plan B. I'm everything they want, I'm what you can't be. Still that money calling on a Sally. I don't listen, ain't shit you could tell me.
What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam, back with yet another video for your viewing pleasure. And today is the first snowstorm of 2020, well, of winter this year. So I'm gonna go outside. Peyton and Mia are already out there, so let's go outside and see what they're doing. Let's go have some fun in the snow. I killed a snowman.
No.
Killed a snowman.
You know what? Yes. Die.
What are you doing, Mama? Oh, look at you.
Dad, ready? Ready? Hey. Ready?
Yeah, let me see.
Ready? Stop digital with Angel.
That's it? That's it?
That means sledding.
Can you get up without making any marks in it?
Try.
Let me see. Go ahead. Oh, hand mark already. Hand mark. Oh.
Wait, I got it now.
Beautiful.
Oh, no, we go. Ah.
Well, it's snowing out here bad. Yeah, boo boo. What up, Punk Punk? Oh, you little brat. You're a little brat. Where's the snowman that you started at, boo boo? No? Lola! Look at Lola! What are you doing? A shield? Oh, hi! So goofy. Oh yeah, because they're probably wet. Come up here, boo boo.
She's not fun. Peyton said it's good for you to eat. I did not
What?
say that.
Don't eat the snow, especially the yellow snow.
Ew, yellow. My hands are freezing.
Your hands are freezing? Because you've been playing out here in the snow, goofball.
Yeah.
Where's the other gloves that you were wearing?
Right here.
There's a whole thing of gloves in there.
Where?
Rita, I just pulled it down. There's a...
Hey!
What?
Try to take your feet. Here's a perfect head. Oh. Here, catch. I can't.
You need to make it bigger.
I know.
Alright, we're going to try and make a snowman. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so here's an update. Here's where we're at with the snowman. Show 'em, me.
It looks like a snow angel.
It looks like a snow angel?
Yeah. But this head can't stay going.
We're trying, but it's starting to sleep. So we'll come back with another update if we get this done. Might be a fail.
He loves the snow.
All right, so Jackson the bulldog has joined us. Oh, hold on a second. May help him. Look, oh, here he is in the snow.
Oh, this don't feel cold.
No, stay over here, buddy. Shovel on his payment. Come over here. Come on, bud. Hold on.
Oh boy, Buzz, you love the snow. He's like, no.
Jackson!
There's so much snow I could take it.
All right, I'm gonna put the camera away before it gets ruined. Hello, how are you? We finished the snowman so far.
It looks so cute. Did they lose interest?
Yeah, they went to the... All right, guys, so it's day 2. It's the second day after the snow from yesterday. And I just wanted to give you guys an updated look of the snowman, or man, that Mia, myself, and Peyton built for you guys. So I know you guys were watching, and the last scene, the last part of the vlog yet from last night, I wasn't able to get a good up close film of the snowman. So today the girls actually came out today while I was working and finished working on him, and I think he came out pretty good. So smash that thumbs up down below if you think that the snowman came out good. Oh, and look, they built a baby snowman. Look at it. Boom. So there goes the final picture, or I'm sorry, final look of our first snowman of 2020, of winter of 2020-2021. So this is where we're going to end the vlog for today. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and remember, if you like the snowman and baby that the girls and I made, smash that thumbs up, or just smash that thumbs up to give us some likes anyway on this. So I appreciate you watching. This is Dave with Kickfam, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.